The world of 1000 LB Sisters never falls short of surprises, and this time, it's Amy Slayton's mysterious new fiancé making headlines in an explosive way. As the fan-favorite reality star inches closer to what could be the most talked-about wedding in the show's history, fans are now reeling from AB's leak. Shocking, before, photos of Amy's fiancé have surfaced online, and they're setting social media on fire. With speculation growing by the second, the internet is now buzzing with questions. Who was this man before Amy? And what do these photos reveal that Amy hasn't told the cameras? The leaked photos, first uploaded to a private fan group, showcase a radically different version of the man Amy now proudly calls her soon-to-be husband. In these jaw-dropping before pictures, the fiancé appears almost unrecognizable, with some fans describing him as looking like a completely different person. Gone is the soft-spoken, somewhat shy demeanor viewer briefly glimpsed in recent episodes. Instead, these images reveal a much edgier, rough around the edges version of the man whose name Amy has yet to officially confirm on screen. While Amy has stayed relatively private about the new man in her life, especially after the rocky end of her marriage to Michael Holteman, these pictures may just blow the lid off everything we thought we knew. One image shows him covered in tattoos, wearing a biker vest, standing beside what appears to be a group of men at a motorcycle rally. Another shows him posing with a cigarette in hand and a bottle of hard liquor close by. Several more photos reveal an unmistakably rebellious lifestyle, complete with evidence of late-night parties, possible bar brawls, and even what looks like a stint in jail. Though there's no official confirmation of a criminal record, fans have already started deep dives into his background, with the threads and TikToks analyzing every inch of his tattoos, surroundings, and clothing choices. This isn't just about image or style, it's about trust, transparency, and timing. Amy's fans have been vocal about their protectiveness over her, especially since she's been through so much. From her weight loss struggles and motherhood journey to her emotional separation from Michael, Amy has captured the hearts of viewers who now worry she may be walking into another situation that could lead to heartbreak. The concern isn't just about aesthetics, it's about whether Amy truly knows who she's marrying. Has he told her about his past? Is she okay with it? Or has Amy seen a side of him the public hasn't? Meanwhile, TLC has remained tight-lipped. A spokesperson for the network declined to comment on the emerging photos but hinted that more personal content will be included in the upcoming bonus episodes of 1000 LB Sisters. This only fuels the speculation further, with some fans believing the show has been deliberately withholding key details about Amy's new relationship in order to build suspense, or perhaps protect her from public backlash. Regardless of the intent, the reveal of these before photos could change everything. Adding more fuel to the fire, an anonymous source claiming to be a distant relative of the fiancé reached out to a popular 1000 LB Sisters gossip blog. According to this insider, the fiancé, whose name they say is Caleb J., has had multiple run-ins with the law in the past, including a domestic incident over a decade ago and a series of DUIs. However, the source insists that he has turned his life around in recent years, becoming sober and dedicating himself to helping others do the same. They claim that Amy is fully aware of his past and believes in his redemption story, a narrative that, if true, might just win over skeptical fans. Still, not everyone is convinced. The Slayton fanbase is fiercely divided. Some believe people can change and are urging others to reserve judgment until more details are confirmed. Others argue that Amy, who has 2 small children, cannot afford to take risks on someone with such a murky past. Amy's been through hell and back, one fan commented on a viral TikTok video discussing the photos. She deserves stability, not more chaos. I hope she knows what she's doing. Interestingly, this isn't the first time 1000 LB Sisters has shocked its audience with unexpected relationship drama. Tammy Slayton's own whirlwind romance with ex-husband Caleb Willingham brought mixed reactions, especially after behind-the-scenes struggles surfaced following their quick marriage and his untimely passing. In many ways, Amy's new love interest seems to be following a similarly mysterious and controversial path. Fans can't help but draw comparisons, raising even more questions about what kind of vetting, if any, is done behind the scenes before new relationships are introduced into the show. To complicate matters further, another source has stepped forward claiming the photos only tell part of the story. This person, who says they used to work with the fiancé back in 2015, described him as a good guy who fell on hard times. They claim he was involved in a serious motorcycle accident that changed his life forever, both physically and mentally. According to them, he used to run with a bad crowd, but eventually got clean, found faith, and even volunteered at a homeless shelter. This version of the man is certainly a far cry from the hard-edged image seen in the leaked photos, but can both stories be true? Amy has yet to publicly address the controversy. Her recent social media posts have been filled with vague captions and filtered selfies, leaving fans scrambling for meaning. NG. In one post, she wrote, "Not everyone's past defines their future," paired with a heart emoji and a black and white photo of her holding hands with an unidentified man. Was this her subtle way of responding to the drama? If so, it seems Amy is standing by her man, regardless of what the internet says. As the story continues to unfold, one thing is certain: the before photos have sparked a tidal wave of curiosity and concern. They've also raised important questions about privacy, personal growth, and the fine line reality TV stars walk between transparency and entertainment. While some fans feel betrayed by the idea that such a critical detail was kept hidden, others argue that Amy has every right to keep parts of her fiance's life private, especially if she believes in his transformation. TLC now finds itself at a crossroads. Should it dive deeper into this storyline in upcoming episodes, or tread carefully to avoid backlash? With a fanbase this engaged and emotionally invested, the network will likely need to address the situation head-on. After all, 1000lb Sisters has never shied away from raw, real-life drama, and this revelation might be too big to sweep under the rug. In the end, the truth about Amy Slayton's fiancé may lie somewhere in the grey area between who he was and who he is now. Transformation is a theme that runs deep in the 1000lb Sisters universe, and perhaps this relationship is no different. Whether viewer embrace him or remain skeptical, one thing is undeniable: the shocking before pics have added a new layer of intrigue to Amy's love story, ensuring that her upcoming wedding will be one of the most talked about events in reality TV this year. Stay tuned, because if 1000lb Sisters has taught us anything, it's that there's always more beneath the surface, and sometimes, a single photo can change everything. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000lb's YouTube channel for more update news.